Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to share an inspiring story about a young man named Ollie, who teaches us that determination can light the path to success, even when the odds seem stacked against us. Ollie was just an ordinary student in a small village school. He wasn't the top of his class, and his teachers often reminded him that he needed to work harder. His classmates, perhaps not understanding the depth of his struggle, would sometimes laugh when he stumbled over math problems or forgot answers during lessons. But what they didn't see was the fire burning within him, a fire fueled by sheer determination. Every evening, after a long day of helping his father in the fields, Ollie would return home, exhausted but resolute. While others might have chosen to rest, Ollie found solace in his studies. Under the soft glow of a lantern, he would immerse himself in his books, poring over the pages with unwavering focus. He didn't just read, he absorbed every word, every concept, and every lesson. He wrote down everything he learned, turning his struggles into stepping stones. Ollie's journey wasn't easy. There were nights when the weight of his challenges felt overwhelming. Yet, he never allowed despair to take root. Instead, he embraced each setback as an opportunity to grow. With every math problem he solved, every word he memorized, he was not just studying, he was building resilience. He was crafting a future that was brighter than the dim light under which he worked. As time passed, Ollie's hard work began to pay off. His grades improved, and he started to gain the respect of his teachers and classmates. They began to see him not just as the boy who struggled, but as a determined student who refused to give up. Ollie's story is a powerful reminder that success is not solely defined by innate talent, but by the relentless pursuit of one's goals. So, what can we learn from Ollie? It's simple: determination can transform our lives. No matter where you start, or how many obstacles you face, your commitment to your dreams can lead you to incredible places. Embrace your challenges, work hard, and remember that every small step counts. Thank you for joining me today to hear Ollie's story. I hope it inspires you to pursue your own dreams with the same determination. If you found this story uplifting, please consider following or subscribing for more motivational content. Remember, your journey is unique, and every effort you make brings you closer to your goals. Keep pushing forward.